Yes. Thank you very much once again. Today, I am going to discuss the shapes of an object or item. So, the title of my today's lecture is Shape. For example, shape of man, woman, child, cat, animal are different. But I am going to take only those shapes which will play an important role in the life of the children in the future classes. For example, first I will discuss the warm-up. Listen carefully. First question is trace the dotted dots to complete the following table. First you write serial number. NO means number. Again I am trying to tell the teacher should encourage the students to do by their own handwriting instead of taking the picture from the internet. Serial number, then this is 2D shape. Two-dimensional shape I have already spoken in the class. Again I will tell you here also. The name, and here I am giving the different shape. And out of different shape, the candidate should answer the correct shape, correct answer. And if you want to make a distinction, you can draw the line, no problem. Shape is here. Oh, here I just make one mistake. This is the 2D shape, and then name. Here I'll make different shape, and just they have to fill up. अब देखिए, I am putting A. In a class 1, I have made this the square. All the sides are the same. Its name is square. B, just tell the students the four equal sides. It is two-dimensional. One is the one-dimensional, the dot is one-dimensional, and this line covered by all the sides is the 2D shape. And B is the triangle, C is the circle, and D is the rectangle. Rectangle is the bigger, you can say, shape of the square. In a square, all sides are equal, here opposite sides are equal. Now name is triangle, this is a circle, this is a rectangle. Now, I have given this. I am here going to give you a different shape, just like triangle, circle, and the square. Why I have said dotted means I am just here putting that all these things. I will hint one thing, that out of three, which one is the square? So the answer should be given, this is the correct answer. And here they should write square. Similarly, the student should answer the other things. Here I am going to give circle, I am putting rectangle, then I am going to give triangle. So a student should mention which one is the correct shape and their name. Here, square, rectangle, and the circle. Answer, correct answer. Then here rectangle, then triangle, then circle. And we call it a 2D shape because I have mentioned. And you can draw a line here also. By doing the number line, they learn how to draw a horizontal line and the vertical line. So this is, now a question is, 2D I have explained, and there is a 3D, the second. Question 2, warm up 2. Observe the 3D shape, 3D solid shape. This is very, very important. Solid shape, and their name. Their name. I will give example. Just like this wall surface is the two-dimensional. X-axis, Y-axis. There are two names. So one-dimensional. Line can be one-dimensional because line is one line. Here it is two line. But when it consists of three line, 1, 2, 3, then it becomes three dimension. And solid means either it should be filled with the air, water, or juice, or anything material. So here I am giving again I am giving serial number of the A. The 3D shape, I am just putting this ball. In ball you have to make a circle, then after that you can just draw like this. This is the way in which name of 3D shape. अब इसका देखिए नाम क्या है, स्फेयर. Ball is in the form of sphere. So इसका sphere. B, no problem, just make this one This is a cylinder. Now every kids nowadays know the cylinder filled with the gas. So shape is cylinder shape. Then C, cube. For cube, you have to just make a square like this, tilted square. Then also draw a line here, equal here and here. Join it, join it. So it is a cube. In cube also, all sides are the same. D. Make this like here, cone. In cone, they might have taken the ice cream. E. Cuboid. There is difference between the cuboid and the cube. In a cuboid, you have to make a big one, and this is a small one. This is the cuboid. Q-U-B-O-D, cuboid. And F. Just like egg. Size of the egg is like this. So you can say egg. But here I am writing some notes to be remembered by the students. When I say 2D shape, it means two-dimensional. Two-dimensional shape. Once I am saying 3D shape, it is three-dimensional shape. When I am writing NO, it means number. These are the conventional way, but one should remember, and it should be started from the beginning to tell the students. There are 3 notes which I am going to use throughout my lecture. Now, third things I am going to do it. Something has been mentioned in the class 1, so I am just warm up it so the student can remember and see my lecture. Just see third. Face. How will you define the face? Then edges. And corner. These are the 3 terms which is used in the two-dimensional shape and three-dimensional shape. Just see. A. The outside view, the outside surfaces in 3D is known as face. B. Here I'm just underlying, so it's the meaning of face. B. The joint of two faces is known as age. E D G E, age. C. More than two faces, met at a point is known as corner. Now I am giving you the figure, and that I will explain like this. Just first, I am making a rectangle. Then I am making a cone. Then I am making a ball, sphere, as you make earlier. अब देखिए, here first, what is the face? Face means this top surface is the face. अब देखिएगा, the outside surface in 3D is known as face. So if question is asked how many faces are there, one on the top, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. There are 6 faces which will be taught in the class 3. Question is, what is the corner? Just see. This is the edge, E D G E. अब देखिए, यहाँ पर 2 faces मिल रहा है, one and back. कह रही this face and this face. So it becomes corner. No, sorry, edge. This is the, and this becomes edge, right? And corner, I think this is right. चलिए यहाँ पे देखिए. Here point, this is corner. This is face. Circle face is face. And the circle one is the edge. Face, this is the corner, edge, and face. And this is the, again, this is also the face. So there are 2 faces, flat faces and curved face. Here it is one edge and one corner. Here there can be 6 faces, and this is the edge. Now, here the outer surface is the only one face. So in the sphere, just I am putting on the sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere, and your cone and rectangle, cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D. Here you can say A, here you can say B, here you can say C. So in class 2, the student should only know the meaning of the face, edge, corner, that's all. Now, I am going to make a table of all these shapes which I have mentioned. So, I will just delete it. अब देखिए एक टेबल मैं बना रहा हूं यहां पर. I'm just putting serial number. NO means I have already said. And I'm putting 3D shape. I'll only take the name because picture I have already made, shape. And I have to just write faces. I will explain you. Then edge, EDGES, edges, and corner. I will explain you corner. So this just right here. You write, prepare a table for that. अब देखिए A. It is very easy to explain the faces, edges, and corners for cube and cuboid. For example, a room is in the form of cuboid or cube. This is very, very important. So just say, so first I will write cube. Suppose this is the room. If you go outside, so how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So faces will be 6. Some definition can be explained on the basis of the experiment. So I'm just doing the experiment. This is the cuboid. 4 walls, 4 face, roof, 5th floor, 6. So 6 faces. And corner, just say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So edges is 12. The edge. Edge means when 2 walls meet, it becomes edge. Already define it. Corner. Corner is the 8. अब 8 कॉर्नर कैसे होगा जो है आप ये बताइए आप जो है तो कॉर्नर्स के लिए आपका जो है ये आप देखिएगा ये तो मैंने एजेस हो गया जो है मतलब जो है एजेस फेस एंड कॉर्नर. कॉर्नर मीन्स 3 फेसेस में सो 1 फेस 2 फेस 3 फेस 1 2 3 तो कितना हो गया 1 2 3 4 दिस तो 4 ही हो गया और ऊपर ले लीजिए 1 face, 2 face, 3 face. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 8. So corner will be 8. B cuboid. Similar way, cuboid has no direction, dimension, different dimension but shape is same. So 6 faces, 12 A's and 8 corner. C. Sphere. Sphere, there is only 1 face, no edge, no corner. Cone. D. Cone is 2 face, one is the circle face, plane face and curved face. Edges 1, top and corner 1. Cylinder E. Cylinder, 3 faces. One is circular on the top, second is bottom, and third is the curve. Edges 2. एक एज ऊपर का होगा और डाउनवर्ड होगा जो है. ऑन नो कॉर्नर. अब देखिए एफ, एग शेप, ओनली 1 फेस एंड 0 0. अगर अंडा देखेंगे तो एक ही फेस होता है, कॉर्नर वगैरह नहीं होता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन, एंड द स्टूडेंट शुड try to remember this example, and I am giving you some questions for the based on the warm up. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन. Question 1 I am putting here. Name the shape, name the shape of the following objects or you can say items with dimension. Dimension means whether it is 2D or 3D. Dimension means 2D or 3D. With face with face, edge and corner. अब देखिए ए, classroom, I have already explained. B, playing field. Playing field. C, rocket. Rocket means playing rocket. D, book. E, sharpener. F, dustbin. And G, laptop. All these are available in the class. Laptop means computer. So H, ice cream brick. आइसक्रीम बड़ा वाला ब्रिक में भी आता है. चपाती. और जी, you can say anything, window. door. I. Floor of a classroom. I am giving the examples. J. Roof of a classroom. Watch. Chessboard. Coke cane. Samosa. Samosa in India it is famous. Bread piece. Some more items, subjects can be written and by the teachers and ask the student to say whether it is 2D, 3D, how many faces, how many edges, how many corners. Very, very important. Faces means surface, how many surfaces they have. Edges means when the two plane surface met. Corner means when three surface met. I have explained you. Thank you very much.